guys, good morning. This is Pooja. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new vlog. Well, I wouldn't say it's a vlog. It is a short vlog or more like a food review that I'm doing today, and it's Sunday by the way, and I'm heading to Phoenix Mall Palladium with my family, and we are going to have our lunch there at Rajdhani, as they are launching their Swad Kesaria, which is from the land of Rajasthan and Gujarat, and it's more of a winter food festival that is happening at Rajdhani today. So that's where we are heading to. So without wasting any time, let's get started and I will show you what do they have to offer us all and how was it, etc. So let's get started with the video. Yes, and before we start, and if you're new to my channel, please consider to subscribe it and don't forget to hit on the notification button, that is the bell icon, because only then YouTube will notify you for all my upcoming videos. So here we are at Rajdhani and this is the feast, friends, but we have to wait to taste this because the place is full here. I mean, there's no seating capacity left and we have to wait to get our seats. Until then we are allowed to take a virtual tour ourselves, and I will give you all a virtual tour. So let's get started. Super fresh vegetables, winter vegetables basically. There's methi, there is muli, there's pudina, dhania, beetroot. And that's Vipul's favorite, haldi ka saag. He loves it and I hate it.
Okay guys, so we're here and there's a long waiting time because बहुत crowd है. And Mama just met a fellow blogger, so she's busy with her. So yeah, see you in a bit.
So soon after we got our seats, they started serving the food and they were quite quick on this, and they started with these chutneys and pickles, etc. Here comes the most famous dish of Rajasthan and Gujarat, which is dal bati churma, and with a splash of ghee on it.
Okay guys, so khana ek ek karke they're serving us, okay, and Dheer and I have started eating and Mama started eating. I mean Papa started eating and Mama is waiting क्योंकि एक final picture लेंगे हम. So Mama is still waiting कि कब सारा लगेगा, कब वो photo लेंगी and कब खाने जाएंगे, खा पाएंगे.
So here comes the main course, guys, the main sabziya, and in that they have arvi ki sabzi, they have palak paneer, they have haldi ka saag, and mogri and badi ki sabzi.
मेथी तिकला, मूंग रोटला, बटर, हाँ बटर डाल.
How is the food, Dheer and Pari?
So good, and I can't say it's good, I have to say.
And I'm yet to start eating from my plate, so Vipul is feeding me. ये कौन सा है?
ये गाजर हलवा है, ये चुकंदरी हलवा। चुकंदरी गाजर हलवा।
And now finally Mama is going to start eating.
Okay, wait. So guys, here is the thal. This is what it completely looks like with all the dishes, dal, the chaat, and everything else.
Different kind of rotis.
Yeah, different sabjis, meetha and all. The only thing that is pending is the buttermilk. So buttermilk and water. So that will come in the end. And yeah.
So the food so far I've tasted is very yummy. This is undio. This I tasted for the first time. This is a Gujarati, typical Gujarati dish, and this is a little sweet, so not apt for my palate because I have a very spicy palate. So this is not apt for me. Other than this, so even the dal, they've given two types of dal. One which is sweet Gujarati dal and the other is spicy dal. Curry is nice, and these sabzis, the palak paneer, the mogri, and which is basically radish pods. Mogri is radish pods, and arbi, which is sweet potato, is also very nice. Arbi क्या है? Sweet potato ही है ना? Sweet potato is shakargandi. Then what is arbi? Some potato यार. Google करके बताती हूँ. This is super good, guys. This chaat plate, this is the second plate that I'm having, and it is very healthy because it has dahi, that is yogurt, chutneys, it has pomegranate, it has boiled chana, soaked moong, boiled potatoes, and very delicious and yet very healthy. And yes, I don't have a sweet tooth, so I am not eating the gajar halwa and the beetroot halwa. Vipul and kids are going to have this. I'm not going to waste it. So this is the only dessert that I ate, and this is khajur ka laddu. There's no sugar, no jaggery in this. It's basically churme ka laddu with dates. There's gond also. There's edible gum also in this. Dekho Vipul, there's gond in this. So this is edible gum, whole wheat flour, dates, and a lot of dry fruits. Super yummy. And this is the only dessert I ate here. Now look at my daughter. When she left from the house, she said she has a bad cold and she wants to have garam soup. And what is she having? The second glass of chas, that is buttermilk. And what about the cold now?
It's okay. It'll be fine.
Okay, by the way, how was the chas?
It was so good. My wife is having 2 glasses.
Oh yeah, that says it all.
Yeah.
That says it all that she had 2 glasses, which means it was good.
But in the chas, I felt it's kind of khatta.
I can't hear you.
In the chas, it's kind of khatta.
What?
It's not khatta.
Oh, Dheer feels the buttermilk is a little bitter. Or not bitter, sour. Let me try mine and see how is it. Oh no, it's not sour at all. It's yum. No wonder my daughter had 2 glasses despite the cold. Now this is another famous snack from Rajasthan and Gujarat, which is papad ki churi. So papad churi is nothing but roasted papad, crushed and tossed in spices with generous ghee, and this is the outcome, and it is super yummy. Rajdhani runs on the concept of Atithi Devo Bhava. They still follow this traditional ancient Indian method of rinsing hands of the guest after they are done with eating. I personally did not like this much because I was very embarrassed doing it and I was feeling sad for the other person, but yes, that's their practice. Hey guys, just finished our lunch and just out of Rajdhani, and I will show you the crowd here. Oh my god, it's unbelievable. that this place is so crowded today and people are liking the food and willing to wait here even for half an hour to eat their thali here. Let me give you a look. See the crowd, guys. So that's the crowd waiting to taste this menu, which is Swat Kesaria, the Winter Food Festival, from the 10th December to 10th of Jan. Authentic Gujarati food, winter food basically. Alright guys, so after completing our lunch at Rajdhani, we are here in the Phoenix Mall shopping, and right now I'm in the Ant store, and we will complete our shopping and then get back home and talk to you in detail about my experience, or rather our experience at Rajdhani. So see you all in a while, stay tuned. Hey guys, so we are back home and घर आके हमें सिर्फ 15-20 मिनट हुए हैं. It's going to be 6 o'clock and we were home by 5:30, 5:40 और बस it was a hectic day and आने के बाद बस हमने change किया और बस अभी vlog करने बैठी हूँ. And if you're wondering, if you're curious, rather not wondering, if you're curious to know कि मॉल से हमने क्या क्या खरीदा, well that's all.
In 5 hours we got 2 things.
No, 5 घंटे में बेटा हमने खाना भी खाया है.
Yeah.
सो फूड रिव्यू का काम पहले निपटाया, उसके बाद हम काफ़ी दुकानें गए और लेकिन हमने ख़रीदा कुछ नहीं. सो दिस इज़ ऑल वी बॉट फ्रॉम मिनीसो. दीज आर ईयरबड्स एंड दीज आर माई मेकअप वाइप कॉटन पैड्स. बस हमने और कुछ नहीं खरीदा आज. दैट्स ऑल वी डिड. एंड ऐसी कोई जूते की स्टोर नहीं है जो हमने नहीं देखी, बिकॉज आई बैडली वॉन्ट फुटवेयर्स फॉर मी. और ना मुझे मोची में मिले, ना वुडलैंड में, ना नाइकी में, ना मेट्रो में, ना इंकफाई में, ना बाटा भी नहीं छोड़ा. क्रॉक्स हमको कहीं ढंग के फुटवेयर नहीं मिले आज. लाइफस्टाइल, व्हाई टू फॉरगेट लाइफस्टाइल, हंटर्स वे हमने कोई दुकान नहीं छोड़ी. बट इट वाज अ बैड डे फॉर मी. मुझे मेरे लिए कोई फुटवेयर नहीं मिले. So this is all we bought, nothing else. And so how about the food? The food, I would say in short, yes, it was good. But is it really worth the price that they are charging? Of course, they didn't charge us, but the general public से जो charge करते हैं, for us it was a food collab for my Instagram page. But जो general public से charge कर रहे हैं, which is $6.99 I think per thali. If you ask me, is it worth $6.99? I would say no. Honestly it's a no, because जितने भी items थे थाली में, पहली बात तो they were not all very delicious. There were selective items जो हम सबको अच्छे लगे, जैसे चाट was good. They say that the dessert was good. I like the खजूर का लड्डू जो मैंने पहले भी बताया. And दाल बाटी wasn't that great.
I like the dal bati.
I didn't like much. The chaat was good. उसके अलावा the rotis, all the rotis were very very delicious. All the rotis were very nice. The dessert was good. The buttermilk was good. But जो authentic Gujarati dishes है, or maybe that's not my palate. I don't have a sweet palate, so I like spicy food. और मेरे हिसाब का नहीं था.
All like spicy food, like not that.
Yeah, we all like spicy food. We all have a spicy palate. हमारे taste buds के हिसाब का खाना नहीं था. Maybe that is the reason I feel कि मुझे $6.99 का worth नहीं लगा. They were very wise in serving. उनका portion बहुत little था. And I don't think a normal person जिसका एक normal appetite है, like we especially, though we are food bloggers, though we call ourselves foodies, हमने सेकेंड सर्विंग नहीं ली. अदर देन द चाट मैंने किसी भी चीज की सेकेंड सर्विंग नहीं ली.
So I'm sorry I'm cutting you mama, but we didn't take second serving. हमने चावल भी नहीं खाए.
हाँ सेकेंड सर्विंग तो दूर की बात है. हमने फर्स्ट सर्विंग में भी वी डिडंट रीच टू द चावल लेवल. सो हमने रोटीज में ही कट कर दिया. whereas there were rice, there were खिचड़ी and other stuff. हम उस लेवल तक गए ही नहीं.
जबकि रोटी
जबकि द रोटीज, द बाजरा रोटीज एंड ऑल वर लाइक मिनी रोटीज एज यू सॉ. मिनी का भी 1/4 वाज दैट ये वाला जो परी को बहुत अच्छी लगी, स्टफ्ड वाली रोटी. मिनी का भी 1/4 पोर्शन था वो. But it was nice.
Yeah, it was nice.
But is it worth trying? Yes, definitely you should try it. You can give it a try. So that's it friends. और अब मेरी चाय भी आ गई है. अब मैं पीती हूँ चाय. So that's it, and I thought I'll end this vlog also here because we are dead tired. And कल आकृति की birthday party है with her friends and cousins, तो उसकी भी तैयारी करनी है. So I'll see you all tomorrow. And I will vlog the entire day कि कैसा चल रहा है, क्या कर रहे हैं हम, etc. How are we celebrating? Where are we celebrating? ये सब details आपको मैं कल दूंगी. So stay tuned until tomorrow. And I hope you like this vlog. If so, please consider to subscribe my channel. Do like, share, comment and subscribe. And don't forget to click on the bell icon because only then YouTube will notify you for all my upcoming videos. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My handle is Matin Ladle. So see you tomorrow on a new day with a new vlog. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.